Okay, welcome back, Reggae Boyz fans. You're watching Mr. Primo Vision. This morning we had the pre-game press conference, Jamaica versus Mexico. As you know, we are counting down to the big match. That is the World Cup qualifier. So Paul Hall sat down with some journalists this morning. I was fortunate enough to be in on the Zoom call, and a few things stood out to me, like I said earlier. Another thing that stood out is how Coach Paul Hall responded to the question when he was asked how things were going for him after taking over from his friend and former teammate Theodore Whitmore. We're going to refer to a couple paragraphs from an article from Luke Jamaica. Coach Paul Hall says it's been good. The players are all on board. They understand that if we're going to make a decision to replace the head coach, then replace him with somebody that they already knew, so there can be some sort of continuity. I've been to the World Cup with Theodore. We have been around the world together, and so it was a tough decision to accept the job just because of our friendship. But I think the social fabric that is football for Jamaicans means the situation is bigger than both of us, and we have to be mature enough to say, let's see if we can qualify the team as best we can, said Hall. It goes on to say, on a personal level, a chance to guide Jamaica is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for the former attacker who made 48 appearances for the Reggae Boyz. It's an opportunity that not everybody gets, so I have to take it with both hands and really enjoy it for what it is, because it's an opportunity of a lifetime. It's a massive honor, a privilege, and I hope to be helping and leading all those around me to great things, said Hall. Hall, who will continue to coach the under-23 side at the English club QPR in addition to his Jamaican duties, plans to have a two-pronged approach. There is immediate need to try to qualify Jamaica for Qatar 2022, but there is also the goal of molding Jamaica over the long term with the 2022 to 2023 CONCACAF National League, the 2023 CONCACAF Gold Cup and World Cup qualifier for USA, Mexico and Canada 2026 all in mind. Coach Paul Hall was also asked if he was feeling any pressure going into the game against Mexico, and furthermore his chances of qualifying the team for the World Cup, and this is what he had to say.
That's a good question. I think the emotions of me being successful with the team as a player makes me want to really be successful as a coach. I don't think I can show that pressure to the players. I must shelter the players from the pressures of what the job is. I don't feel daunted by it. I really want to do really well in this team. I think it comes with just encouraging the players, but we are where we are, and we'll face the moment of truth soon enough. We've just got to give ourselves a chance to be able to live towards the end of this campaign. And the players I think that's the part what the players need to know. Yeah, so there is pressure, but I'm looking forward to it because it's a healthy pressure.
All right, guys, thank you for watching. Remember, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned so you can be informed of all the happenings in the Jamaican sports arena.